Welcome to Gallery Tots. My name is Tess and I'm an educator at Geelong Gallery. Today I'm inviting you to become a photographer. So let's get started by taking a look at a photograph of Eastern Beach, Geelong by photographer Max Dupain. Does this picture remind you of somewhere you have been before? If you have visited Eastern Beach, what do you recognise and what is different about this location today? You'll notice that this is a black and white photo. Can you use your imagination to picture the colours of the sky, water and trees? Inspired by this photo of Eastern Beach, I now invite you to take your own photograph of your favourite location in your local area. For this activity, you will need a camera, tablet or camera phone, a setting for your photograph, and some friends and family to join in the fun. Use your camera to take photos of the things you like and find interesting in your chosen location. Max Dupain took his photo from the top of a very tall set of stairs. Experiment with your camera by taking photos while standing somewhere up high or far away, and then try taking photos down low or close up. Notice how the objects appear bigger and smaller depending on where you stand to take your photo. If you're using a digital device to take your photographs, you may like to also experiment with filters. Can you make your photograph black and white like Dupain's? Maybe you would like to recreate Dupain's photo by visiting Eastern Beach yourself. Stand where he stood and see what he saw through your own eyes and camera. Wherever you choose to visit, we would love to see your photographs, so please share them with us online. Remember to tag @Geelong Gallery and use the hashtag GalleryTots.